dangerous weapon. Today I'm stabbing this box. Kidding. Today I'm unboxing some fidgets. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. Cutting deep. In every box is a journey. Your journey has to start somewhere. So this journey includes opening the box with this sharp weapon. Okay, there we go. Part 2, and in the box is another box. Mysterious. This box has some great prizes. One of them has a meaning for its name, because it can literally go up to infinity. We got this fidget pad. We got this cube. Oh, this comes apart. You push this. It's another infinity cube. What's this called? A magic bean. A Rubik's Cube. It's a 3x3. Oh my God! It comes scrambled. This is a rainbow ball. Why is it called that? Because it has balls. And that's the end of the fidgets. This has been Potter Jack saying, be awesome.